While the strength and mental faculties of first responders are often tested weekly, the challenges can be more overwhelming on weekends. This past weekend was no different as fire officers responded to several emergencies. In one incident, first responders assisted a man who claimed he had been assaulted.
The Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to a physical assault on Jeremy Street, Castries at 12:23 a.m. On arrival at the scene, an adult male was found in a supine position, favoring his left arm. On assessment, it was observed that he sustained a deep laceration to his left upper extremity. He reported that he was physically assaulted with a broken bottle by a known individual. He was treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
Fire officers were also summoned to Babono multiple times over the weekend. Officers provided care to a man who claimed unknown individuals had attacked him.
On Friday, 11th April 2025, the Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to an emergency call at 9 p.m. at Babono. On arrival at the scene, an adult male was found in a supine position with complaints of pain to his lower extremity. An assessment revealed a possible fractured femur. He reported that he was assaulted by unknown assailants. His wounds were treated and he was transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
First responders also extinguished fires in two structures in Babono on Saturday and Sunday, respectively.
On Sunday, April 13, 2025, the Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to a structural fire at 7:59 p.m. at Kabish, Babono. On arrival at the scene, a wooden structure, approximately 8 by 8 feet, was found completely destroyed by flames. The fire was extinguished. The structure was unoccupied at the time. The origin and cause of the fire is under investigation. On Saturday, April 12, 2025, the Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to a structural fire at 3:10 a.m. at Babono. On arrival at the scene, a non-residential, abandoned wooden structure measuring approximately 16 by 16 feet was found engulfed by flames. The fire was extinguished. The structure was unoccupied at the time. The origin and cause of the fire is under investigation.
The Saint Lucia Fire Service also responded to the scene of the fatal accident in Vanna Ancillary on Sunday, which resulted in the death of 68-year-old Nigel Ronald Elibox of Mark Bexon. Gina Philippi, HDS News Force.